Good evening, everybody. You know, I've asked Santa for some gifts, and you know, I think I may have got some. See if I it's in here. This one. Nope. It's not this one. No. Ah, I think it's this one in here. All right. So I wasn't on the naughty list. I got my wishes. All right. First off, let's open whoa, tail lights. 5861. Or do you think these ones are better? You tell me. Got the dual setup. So we got that. Tail lights. Fragile. Look at that. Is it a major award? It is. It's the fuel tank. Now, fresh fuel tank, fresh tail lights. Let's see, fuel tank parts. Got the filter, the nipple, everything here. I guess I really didn't need this. I guess it's got a filter already. Didn't know that. So I'll go ahead and install this tank after I replace some of the metal in the engine compartment. So I gotta order metal pieces, got the floor, I got a bunch of metal I gotta order. I think I'm gonna do it in increments because the metal is gonna be very expensive and I don't wanna throw that kind of money at it all at once. So I'm gonna do it in portions. Basically get the engine going here. I gotta find a rear apron as well. I have another bumper, not period correct, but it's a bumper with overriders. We're gonna leave on the bus for the time being. I'll probably swap it with an earlier slash cut bumper later, but that's where we're at right now. So we got stuff. I did good this year. All these parts came from J-Bugs, and I got the last taillights, 58 to 61 that they had, the last two. So I'm happy about that. I couldn't find them anywhere else. They got mixed reviews on them, but you know, I'll see how they work. I don't know how the metal is, if it's gonna pit, rust, or anything like that. I'm not really too worried about that too much. But anyway, we're gonna have, once I weld up the corners, I'll go ahead and fill the holes in there, and we're gonna go ahead and drill them. I'm gonna measure off my friend Daniel's 61 bus, and I'll just measure the holes and everything, and we'll get that going. Still looking for 2 rims. I thought I had a lead on 2, but the guy's out of the country for another month. So we're still looking. Wishing you all a happy, festive holiday season. Hopefully you guys are out doing some cruise-ins, maybe some donations, helping communities, helping children, or whatever you guys can do in the neighborhood. Have fun, be safe, and we will see you guys next time. Rear lights. It's $127 for these 2.
I mean, you could just keep the ones you have.
They look pretty cool, you know. They do look cool. I like them. I like them a lot. They're really cool. Sweet. Dearest, I got lights.
We got lights and we got fuel. We're halfway there.
Yep. So I gotta find.
Are you rewiring the whole bus?
Huh?
Are you rewiring the whole bus?
I don't know. I might not do that in the first bet. I'm gonna connect these wires.
Have you even been underneath to check it out?
Wiring. I mean, I got a lot of rust. I want to see the rust repair over the whole bus, but
Really?
I'm gonna do it in portions. Like I'm gonna get this going, this engine. I think I'm gonna order this in the floors, but I actually have to order a have to do an inventory on the bus. I want to cut up all the old floor pieces and rip all them out, and then kind of see what I need inside. But,
You made a mess.
I made a mess.
Right.
Yeah. All right. So should I put all this?
Crash over.
Yeah. There's these. I'll go ahead and put the sending unit in here. So, thanks for watching. Keep working on the Volkswagens, and we'll see you guys next time.